Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name's Ashley. I make videos every week about beauty, DIY, how-to, and pretty things. Today I am going to make a video to show you guys how to use a floral frog pin. Looks like this. And we're going to do a simple Valentine's Day inspired bouquet using only grocery store bought flowers, and I'm going to show you how to make it look really pretty and expensive, or way more expensive than it actually is. So if you are interested in learning how to use a floral frog pin and want to see a Valentine's Day inspired bouquet, please keep watching. So this is called a floral frog pin. It's also called a kenzan. It's a Japanese term for their types of bouquets that they make in Japan called ikebana. It's basically just got a lot of little tiny pointy nails that stick up, and it's on a weighted rubbered metal plate. So they make these in all kinds of shapes, sizes. They make rectangles, they make them a lot larger, a lot smaller. Today I'm going to use this size. It's about a 2-inch for my putting in my vessel today. And you can get this one on Amazon. I think it's like $14. The reason why I really like the idea of using these guys is because it's not realistic that a lot of you guys have chicken wire laying around your house to stuff into a vessel and help you create your shape and structure of your floral bouquet. But this little guy is easy, compact, really easy to clean. The best way to clean it is to just rinse it off after you're done using it with some warm soapy water, and then I just place it upside down to dry like this on a paper towel, and it's good to go for the next time. So again, the reason why I like using this is because it cuts down on waste. Instead of using floral foam that doesn't really break down or get recycled in any way and just creates more waste. This is something you can wash and reuse and keep stored around your house, really simple. So that's the frog pin. So I'm going to show you how to place it in your vessel today. Today I am using this vessel. I got it at an antique store for like $8, which is really awesome. I was super excited to find it. And I think I'm gonna go antiquing a lot more now to find some really cool floral vessels. I like the idea of having a pedestal vessel versus like a bowl or like a tall vase, because it's wide enough to allow me to do like a shape to it, an organic garden style bouquet, which is what I prefer. So let's get started, and I will show you how to use your frog pin in a vessel. Okay, so the first thing you are going to want to do is take your frog pin, and I got some floral putty or floral clay, and you can get this at Michael's, you can get it at Hobby Lobby, you can get it at, I think I bought mine off at Amazon, it's like $3 or $4. So what you're gonna do is take your floral putty and wrap it around your frog pin so that it goes on the side and kind of pools over the bottom. My cat is crazy. Look something like this. And you just push it over the edges like that. And then your you're going to take your frog pin with the putty, place it in your vessel, and you're going to push down and turn it a little bit. This is just going to anchor it into the vessel, and the putty is waterproof, so it's not going to go anywhere. And it'll look something like this. We are going to get started. All of the flowers I'm using are simple grocery store flowers. I actually got flowers that I don't particularly like because I wanted to challenge myself and make a bouquet out of cheaper, simple flowers. This whole bouquet cost about $26, I think, which is really good considering I went to the florist, my local florist, and I bought 4 tulips and maybe 3 stems of something else, and she charged me $25. I can't even make a flower arrangement out of that. It was absurd. So stick to grocery store flowers, and you can make some really beautiful things. So let's get started. I'm gonna put some water in here at the bottom of my vessel with some flower food, just to cover. And I'm gonna get started with let's start with some roses. You can't get any more classic than roses on Valentine's Day, right? Here we go. And when you're placing your flowers, especially the ones that you're first starting with, you want to make sure you put it towards the center of your frog and push down. And then you're gonna just slightly bend everything out, like so. Clean up your flowers if you have to, like I'm doing with this guy. Leaves that will sit in the water, and make sure if you look at your flowers and you see how the petals are kind of browning, just go ahead, take those off. It's not going to hurt the flower. Basically just pruning it. So place in the middle and push down. We're going to go in with some filler flowers. These guys, everybody has seen these at the grocery store. I'll link it down below. These are one of my least favorite flowers, but again, I'm really trying to use things that I don't typically use. looking for that asymmetrical shape so that it kind of goes off to one side, and so I want to start creating some height over here, and I can do that with some greens now that I have a base. And we can also do some filling in with wax flowers to also help create structure. And here is your end result, guys. Your beautiful garden-inspired Valentine's bouquet for $28. Everything's from the grocery store. Pretty simple, not the most prestigious or upscale flowers either. And using your frog pin, you can create all these really fun, unique shapes. And again, it doesn't really have a front. You could do it this way. You could do it this way, whichever way you prefer. Thanks so much for watching, you guys. I love all the support and appreciate every view, every like, every subscriber. I'll keep making videos for you every week, and hopefully this video gave you some inspiration of a bouquet you could give to a family, a friend, a loved one for Valentine's Day for really cheap at your own local grocery store. Again, thanks for watching. Click down that below to hit subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.